Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mazda CX-5 trunk from the inside. First, locate the emergency release lever inside the trunk. This small, often glow-in-the-dark handle is designed for safety. You'll usually find it positioned near the trunk's main latch mechanism, making it accessible in an emergency. It's a crucial feature to be aware of for quick access. Once you've located the emergency release lever, the next step is straightforward. Simply pull the lever firmly towards you. It's engineered to be easy to operate, even in stressful situations. This direct action will immediately unlatch the trunk door, allowing it to open. There's no need for excessive force. A steady pull is all that's required. After pulling the lever and hearing the latch release, gently push the trunk lid upwards to open it completely. Before you exit, always take a moment to ensure the area outside the vehicle is clear and safe. Your safety is paramount, so be mindful of your surroundings. This method provides a quick and reliable way to exit the trunk if needed. It's important to remember that this internal trunk release is specifically designed for emergency situations. It should not be used for routine access to your trunk. Familiarizing yourself with its exact location and operation beforehand can be incredibly valuable. Knowing how to use it ensures you're prepared for any unexpected circumstances, prioritizing your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.